In this video, we'll guide you through how to replace the thermostatic cartridge on an exposed thermostatic shower mixer. The process should take approximately 30 minutes. Before you begin, ensure the water supply is fully turned off. Please close or cover any wastes to prevent screws or components from falling in and becoming lost. You'll need the following tools: a 3mm hex key for removing and securing the base screws, a 32mm spanner for loosening and tightening the brass nut, a soft cloth to clean the valve seat, and the replacement valve 9.13577. Using a 3mm hex key, loosen the 3 screws from the bottom of the thermostatic shower mixer. Once loosened sufficiently, the lever and hood will come away as a complete piece. Take care not to remove the screws, as this may increase the risk of losing them. The top of the thermostatic cartridge will now be exposed. Using a 32mm spanner, unscrew the brass nut securing the cartridge. Once loosened, remove the nut and set it aside. With the nut removed, gently pull the cartridge out. It may require a slight wiggle. Be mindful of the small locating pin inside. Do not lose it. Clean the valve seat thoroughly to remove any debris or residue. This ensures a proper seal for the new cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the body, with the locating pin slot facing downwards. Ensure the locating hole aligns with the pin position. Push it in gently and give it a slight wiggle until fully seated. Place the alignment pin back into its slot to secure the cartridge. Refit the brass nut by hand. Then tighten it using the 32mm spanner, ensuring it's secure but not over-tightened. Position the hood back on the unit. You'll notice 2 holes. These must align with the 2 pins in the body. Ensure the lever is in the correct position, aligned with the spindle. Once everything is seated properly, you're ready to secure it. Using the 3mm hex key, screw the 3 screws back into the underside of the unit to complete the assembly. Finally, turn the water supply back on and test the valve to ensure the new valve is functioning as intended. And that's it. Your thermostatic cartridge has been successfully replaced.